Hey, we have this McLaren that we're talking about this week here. It's pretty much almost done. We did the window tint, front windshield tint, plus the side windows here. You can see. Look at that gap, no gap at all. Window tint. Back window is actually also done here too. We also installed this spoiler right here, carbon fiber spoiler. It took about 2, almost 3 months to get installed. It looks a lot better. Usually these don't come with spoilers, but we just upgraded him to this. And then last thing that we're doing on this is a roof wrap with gloss black clear bra. It's not a vinyl wrap. So it has all the same properties as clear bra, self-healing, top coat, hydrophobic, and it being black, so it'll never get scratched, easy to clean. It changes the whole look of the car. If you actually see the whole vehicle, you can see it's going to be a lot more aggressive with the black accent. Just about done with this one. So like I said, this is your gloss black clear bra. So it has the same properties as just regular gloss clear bra or your matte clear bra. The self-healing here, I'm gonna demonstrate how it has self-healing properties. So I'm just taking your hard card, which we usually do to install vinyl wrap. So I'll just kind of create scratches, as you can see right there. The difference from this and vinyl wrap is vinyl wrap, you can usually heat it up and some of the scratches will come out, but not all of it. But with this clear bra, when we heat it or the sun hits it, it actually eliminates 99 to 100% of it. As you can see here, it's literally disappearing itself. See that? That's what the self-healing properties are. Just like that, it's pretty much gone. And that's the difference between gloss black clear bra and vinyl wrap.